little stars, let's go through our 25 fun daily routine together. Wake up. I wake up early in the morning. Get up. I get up from the bed. Make bed. I make my bed. Potty time. I go potty. Wash hand. I wash my hands. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth. Wash face. I wash my face. Eat breakfast. I eat my healthy breakfast. Get dressed. I get dressed for school. Comb hair. I comb my hair. Put on shoes. I put on my shoes. Go to school. Time to go to school. Learn at school. I learned so many new things at school. Come back home. I come back home from the school. Eat lunch. I eat my lunch. Nap time. I take a quick nap. Do homeworks. I do my homeworks. Playtime. I go play with my friends outside. Take bath. I take a bath. Eat dinner. I eat dinner with my family together. Help Mama. I help Mama clean up by putting away toys. Put on pajamas. I put on my pajamas. Brush teeth again. I brush my teeth again. Bedtime story. Daddy reads me a bedtime story. Bedtime. Now it's time to go to bed. Good night.
Hooray!
Our day is done. Thank you for watching. For more learning videos, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.